Are we going? Hi, this is another episode of Jim trying to sell you his car. We're selling this car for $4,000. This is a 2008 Volvo XC-90. It's the all-wheel drive 3.2 liter. So, four-wheel drive in this one. I'm going to go over the things that may annoy you so you're aware of them, and then I'll go over the really, really cool stuff, okay? So, first things first, aesthetically speaking, the tweeter speaker broke off here. I looked them up online and you can get them for about 30 bucks used, but we never got around to doing it, so there's that. Secondly, our young child decided to shove a bunch of pennies in the CD changer. So the CD player does not work. And it tries to engage when you first start the car. You may be able to hear it, but it's kind of stuck and it makes an annoying noise for about 30 seconds and then it goes away. Secondly, as far as mechanical problems that the car has, currently it constantly says that there's low coolant and that you have to stop the engine, but it's not true. I had to replace the coolant reservoir a few months back, and it started shortly after that, so I think I may have damaged the sensor at the bottom of the coolant storage that makes it think that it's running low. It uses a little floater in there that's causing a problem. Secondly, the check engine light is on. I've had it tested, and they said it could be it's an emissions thing, so they said it could be the spark plugs, which we had replaced 6 months ago, so that's not it. I just put in some fuel cleaner. They said it could be a fuel cleaner issue. Worst case scenario, it could be a catalytic converter. And that in this car can cost you anywhere between $500 to $1,200. It just depends on where you get it done at. That's all the annoying stuff, right?
Yeah.
All right. So as far as the car itself, it's got 181,000 miles on it. We bought it in 2011, and it's been really, really good for us. So I guess we've had it for close to 8 years. But yeah, 181,000 miles on it. The tires probably have about another 15, I'd say, 10 to 15,000 miles on it. It is all leather. We'll get into some of the cool stuff. It does have integrated Bluetooth, so you can use the Bluetooth with it. It does also have aux ability, so you can use aux port to interface with your mobile devices. Of course, you know, all the other luxury stuff they had in 2008. Rear backup assist. I don't know, parking assistant, so when you're in reverse. Fold-in mirrors. This guy is the third row edition. So it's got a built-in booster. It's got a built-in booster seat. You can lay all the chairs down and to give yourself tons of cargo space. How do you make it go all the way down? I don't remember.
That one can't.
Oh. Well, this one can too go all the way. Is it the other one?
The other one can.
Oh, okay. I thought it could. I lied. So anyways, that and it's got the third row seats, so you can go back there and see that. It has this car also has the tow package. The towing is up to 3,500 pounds. So it's got the built-in hitch. It has the roof rack. We use that all the time. So we did many road trips in this car, and it's been great. Yeah, and it's the Crosstrek edition. So the Crosstrek edition or cross country, is the edition that basically came in with the weatherproof floor mats, weatherproof in the rear. It's kind of the more rugged edition, so it's not quite as luxurious and fancy, but it's better for active stuff. And you lay the seats down, fit tons of stuff in the back, got a ton of cargo room. Alloy wheels. That's it. I can't think of anything else. All right, buy this car for $4,000.